Okay, welcome back to the next segment. In this segment, we want to look at the short form of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay, this one will require equilateral triangle. I want to believe you remember the properties of equilateral triangle, where the three sides are equal. That means side AB, AC, and BC are all equal. Okay, if I am, then the three base angles are also equal, meaning that if I have 60 here, this plane will be 60, and here also will be 60 degrees, making the sum of equilateral triangle 180. Okay, let me bisect this equilateral triangle perpendicularly as usual. So if I do that, it means that one side of it is 90 degrees and one side of it is 90 degrees. Now I will consider the side to be 2 units. 2, that means AB 2 unit, AC 2 unit, and BC 2 unit. Okay, if I am, because I have bisect this angle to 2 right angle triangle, and of course BC is 2 units, meaning that half of it like this. Now here is 1 and here is 1. Now let me bring out this other side of the right angle triangle. I bring it out. Okay, A, I call this place P. So let me put P there, and C, then I maintain my 60 degrees. You know, at this point, when you bisect, since the entire angle here, angle A, is 60 degrees, it means that half of it from here to here is 30 degrees. Here to here also is 30 degrees. So automatically this place becomes 30 degrees. Then my 2 here is 1. So what do you observe? You observe that if I am to deal with angle 30 degrees, making this side an opposite, then adjacent, being that this side and this angle is corresponding to the largest side, this is hypotenuse. So I have hypotenuse. If I'm dealing with this, I have opposite. But if I'm dealing with angle 60 degrees, AP becomes the opposite, PC becomes the adjacent, while AC remains hypotenuse. So before I can obtain the ratio of 30 degrees and 60 degrees, I need to obtain the side AP. As usual, I will apply Pythagoras theorem. AP squared is equal to 2 squared minus 1 squared. This is 4 minus 1, and of course this is 3. So that means AP squared is equal to 3. AP squared is equal to 3. Then what is my AP? AP will now be the square root of 3. Okay, meaning that this AP becomes the square root of 3. Alright, let me remove this. Okay, so now I want to obtain, okay, let me start with this. I want to obtain the ratios of 60 degrees. I start with sine 60 degrees. What is sine? As usual, opposite over hypotenuse. This is opposite now. This is hypotenuse. That means I have root 3 all over 2. If I want to obtain cos 60 degrees, what is cos? Cos is adjacent all over hypotenuse. Adjacent is 1, hypotenuse is 2. So I have 1 over 2. 1 over 2 rather, not 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Then if I want to obtain tan 60 degrees, what is tan? Tan is opposite all over adjacent. Opposite is root 3 adjacent is 1, so automatically times 60 is root 3. Alright, now what about 30? So if I now consider angle 30, it makes PC the opposite. Then adjacent now is AP. Hypotenuse remains AC. Okay, now let me see, remove this. We look at sine 30 degrees. What is sine? Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. What is opposite now? Opposite is 1, hypotenuse is 2. So I have 1 over 2. Then what is cos 30 degrees? Cos 30 degrees. Cos at this point is adjacent all over hypotenuse. That means root 3 all over 2. Then tan 30 degrees. What is tan? Tan is opposite all over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. 1 all over root 3. Okay, so we have been able to get the ratio of 45, 30, and 60 degrees. These are their short form, so that if question comes, they don't want you to use table, they want you to use short form, you quickly apply this. Alright, we shall go on a short break. When we shall return, we'll solve multiple questions based on this problem. So don't go away. God bless you.